Candid, New Trends in Computers. Book 8.
Chapter 4. Reports and Queries in MS Access. What is a report? A report is an effective way to present your data in a printed format. You can control the size and appearance of everything on a report. A report is not just a listing of multiple data records. Anytime you need to send MS Access data to printer, you must create a report. Therefore, a report might be a series of checks or mailing labels that you print. Creating a report. You can create different types of reports quickly using various tools and wizards. Choose a record source. A report consists of information that is pulled from tables or queries, as well as information that is stored with the report design, such as labels, headings, and graphics. The tables or queries that provide the underlying data are also known as the report's record source. If the fields that you want to include all exist in a single table, use that table as the record source. If the fields are contained in more than one table, you need to use one or more queries as the record source. Those queries may already exist in your database, or you may need to create new queries specifically to fit the needs of your report. Create a report by using the report tool. The report tool provides the fastest way for you to create a report because it generates a report immediately without prompting you for information. The report tool may not create the final, polished product that you ultimately want, but it is quite useful as a means to quickly look at the underlying data. You can then save the report and modify it so that it better serves your purposes. In the navigation pane, select the table or query that will serve as the record source for the report. On the Create tab, in the Reports group, click Report. Access builds the report and displays it in Layout view. Create a report by using the Blank Report tool. If you want to be more selective about the data that is displayed on the report, you can use the Blank Report tool to build a report from scratch. This